Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here, nah, you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly, I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. You elevate it. You.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Westkiss Hair. Shout out to you, Westkiss, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you've been rocking with me for a while, then you know I have been a Westkiss stan for a long time. So once again, shout out to you, Westkiss. So the unit that they sent me is their 180% density number 4 brown curly wave lace front wig. They sent it to me in 22 inches and it is a medium cap size. So if I'm not mistaken, you can get it in different cap sizes, but honey, don't quote me on that just yet, okay? So on their site, it says 30 inches dark brown curly wig, number 4 long brown lace front human hair wig. As I stated, that is not the case with mine. I am wearing, child, I forgot how many inches, but it ain't 30. Okay, so it says brand name is Westkiss. The hair is a lace front wig. It is curly hair. That is the texture. It's in the color number 4 brown. It's a Swiss lace, and then it tells you about the processing times and all of that good stuff. Okay, y'all, so with this unit, it did come pre-tweezed. I did tweeze it a little more, but it definitely did come pre-tweezed. I am not sure if they state anywhere on the site, but nowhere that I seen that the unit comes pre-bleached, but I did decide to bleach the unit just because I'm on a bleaching kick these days, honey. Okay, don't judge me. So I did personally bleach the wig, but you can do what you want to with your unit. It does come with, if I'm not mistaken, 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And I think this unit is a 13x4. I don't know if I saw that, but I do feel like this particular unit is a 13x4 lace front. And as far as shedding and tangling, honestly, for it to be a curly wig, it really didn't do much of either. It did some, but it wasn't like excessive. It was just pretty much much your standard sort of shedding and tangling. I don't even want to say standard. It's a little less than what your standard shedding and tangling was, but it did do it a little bit. I like to point that out so you can't come for me later, girl. And I didn't see on there whether you can get it in a small, medium, or large, but I do feel like this unit is definitely a medium to large head friendly. I am an average cap size, so I do that. I say that purely off speculation, girl, okay? Because I only got the head that's on my shoulder, so do with that what you want to do with that. But I did have to adjust the straps, and when I have to adjust the straps, then I deem a unit to be big head friendly. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as all the details and specs go with this unit. If you are interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, so my con with this unit, and it is my only con, it will be that I think it is a 13x4, so with the parting, I had to be really careful. Although you can't see it with this one, it's right there though. So, but they have it parted in a way, like when you get it, where you already know how to part it, but it's still, if you go too far back, then you will end up showing well. So that is a con, and that was just something that I had to throw out there. My pros with this unit is, first of all, I love the curly hair. I love the texture of it, and it's still a little wet, but it's gonna give me that bounce sort of look. I don't like for my hair to be too sleek. Sometimes I go through phases where I do, but I like that big sort of big hair, don't care sort of look a lot of the times. And it's gonna give me that, and I love that. And I also love the color. I've said this in numerous videos. My natural hair used to be this color, honey, before I went to messing it up because I didn't appreciate it at the time. My natural hair used to be this color until I went to messing with it because, honey, I ain't appreciate it. But I wish I could get it back, girl, because I feel like over time it's just gotten darker, especially after I shaved my head and let it grow back. It is a lot darker than it was when I was a little girl, but it was literally this color, so I really, really love the color. I also love that the hairline basically came pre-tweezed. I feel like that is like a dream for me because I'm not the best at tweezing, so I love to get a unit that comes pre-tweezed. So those are my pros with this unit. I personally definitely would recommend this wig. I feel like the color and just the overall look of it gives it a natural sort of vibe, with a hint of color, and I just love that for me, okay? I also love, like I said, when it dries, it's gonna definitely give me that fluffy look, and I can already tell. And if you click on the link that's in the description box, you can see the model and how dry, how her hair looks after it's dry, and I think it looks really, really nice. I love that. And yeah, so I would personally definitely recommend this unit. I would also recommend this company. Like I said, I've been working with this company for, God, years now. I would say like 2 years now or more. And they have not let me down, girl. Okay, they have not let me down. So yeah, I would recommend this wig. Alright, honey, let's do this full 360 and length check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a look, it's a vibe to me. Let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it as much as I am. I am interested in hearing you guys' thoughts and opinions down below in the description box. Not in the description box, y'all. Down below in the comments. But speaking of the description box, if you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience, as well as the details about it in the description box. And once again, shout out to you, Westkiss, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Health Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time.